If you guys in the booth can put up the.
Got time for another one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, we got another video for you to look
We're
out
watching,
there.
Stephen. I see
Here
a
we
beauty
go.
queen. I see
Here's-
another beauty queen.
There's one beauty queen.
It's very cute.
Here comes another beauty. Oh, and the headbutt. Wow.
Did she do that? Did
Yeah.
she mean to do that?
One beauty queen. Now, what
Did
was?
she mean to do that?
What? Can we show that one more time? Okay, here we go.
Wow.
There's Miss Ecuador. Applause. There's a
that?
competition.
Miss who? I can't read the.
And whoa!
Why did she do that?
Now, would it matter that they said something? Or was she doing it so that she could win the contest?
Well, my question, what is that, the talent part, headbutting?
There is another intentional act.
That's why I was trying to find out.
It's like the
Did
beach
she mean
ball.
to do that, or was it an accident? It looked like she meant to do it.
Looked to me like, I don't know what was said back and forth, but she may have wanted to knock her down because it was the poise part of the show, and there was a lot of money involved in the situation. So,
Well, they both looked very poised.
I thought that I thought that was pretty interesting. So it's another intentional act. Here it's, quote, a beauty contest. In the pole situation, it was a carelessness by letting go. And in the beach ball situation, it was an intentional act.
Well, here's what I see. I see a very attractive. I see two very attractive young women. One of them headbutts the other. The victim of that headbutting could very well sue the person who headbutted her. Could she also sue the beauty contest?
Maybe if they knew that there was a propensity to headbutt.
Well, this is the 5th time she's headbutted somebody.
But on the other hand, we don't know the conversation that went back and forth because there was a little whispering going on. So maybe it was conspiracy because two of them said get rid of the third one.
Interesting thought.
This may have been the finals, and but who knows?
Interesting thought.
Okay, so two things have going on. Can you guys put in the booth, put up the website so we can have people get a hold of that?
It's on right now.
Okay.
I
Now,
can see it from here.
there's all kinds of free stuff for you on that website.
Is it free, Stephen?
It's free. It's
Okay.
under consumer stuff. Go on the website, it's consumer stuff. If you have and everybody should have a medical power of attorney if you have an accident or something or hurt or injured or get sick, someone to sign medical things for you. There's a state-approved durable power of attorney on there. If you have an accident, if you have elder abuse, take a look at that. So, website, find it, look at it. If you have questions, call us on it.
Do we have time for another call?
Sure,
Steve?
why
What do you
not?
think?
It's
All right,
today's call
let's
day.
do it, guys. David from Sherman Oaks. David, we're bringing in. Talk fast. What's happening?
Listen, my question is, if you're disabled and you're on Section 8 and you move into a unit that, let's say, everybody is paying $1,500, but the owner signed a $1,300 contract with Section 8, then you move in and they say, well, you got to pay what everybody else is paying.
Well, they can't do that. They can get out of the Section 8 program, and that takes a whole bunch of stuff. But once they agree to do a Section 8, then you only have to pay the amount that the government pays.
Right.
Okay, but what if I've been paying what they said pay because I was in a situation where I couldn't move, move out again?
And how much excessive rent have you paid?
Let's say $154.
Okay, small claims court. Perfect situation. File a small claims.
Isn't there a federal agency that he could also
maybe.
contact?
There's
I'm not saying one over the other.
County of Los Angeles operates the Section 8 program. You can call the local Section 8. A lot of government layoffs and furloughs, etc. Your cheapest way to do is send a demand letter to the landlord, demand your money back, and if not, then file a small claims court action. And you can do that every month if they're charging you too much.
Might be a phone call to the county.
Or maybe a phone call to the county.
I'm not saying one over the other. Maybe you want to do both.
Okay, David?
What about the Disability Act of 1990? Is relation of that?
Well, the American Disability Act means that people have to reasonably accommodate you and things have to be accessible. But that's really not dealing with the Section 8 situation. It's a totally different situation.
That's pure finance. And unless there's something about the apartment that now makes it difficult for you to maneuver around.